What's up, dear viewers? In this video, I will show you how to shoot duo duo view in Vivo V60. So, guys, actually, I'm seriously considering changing my career from a structural engineer to a professional video shooter. There are so many other options. Or I can become a CBC school teacher, where I can teach pupils how to become video shooters. But in this video, I'll focus on how um, to do duo views. So just you can just scroll like that to your right. You see more, click more, and then click duo view. Yeah, duo view. There are other options there, but you can see you can just change from that to that. So if I change this side, you can see at my side now. You can see the houses, and you can see the other side. If I rotate, now you can see the houses have come. Now you can just change it like that, and you can be able to record your video using dual sim. So if dual view, so if you don't have, if your mobile phone doesn't have this capability, it's not all mobile phone that can shoot simultaneously using both cameras. It is specific phones like the one I'm using is called Vivo V60. All the Vivo series, I think the Vivo V70, and I think other mobile phones, but I don't know the others. But this one is a very good example. So I just shoot a video. I'll pick that later. So those are the affordable houses, and there are other houses there. Uh, the direction I'm pointing, you can see the houses. So you can see how powerful. And this is not 1080. So I'll change to 1080 and see. Yeah. And close.